What is a winter squash? Welcome to News You Can Eat 24. I'm Chef Walter. Winter squash is a term that describes several different cultivars of squash varieties, all of which belong to the Cucurbita genus family. Unlike popular forms of squash, such as summer squash, the winter squash is harvested once the squash is fully mature. When harvesting winter squash, it is important to choose those with a hard outer rind and no visible cuts or damage. They can be stored for months at a time without going bad. Some of the most popular varieties of winter squash are such: spaghetti squash, buttercup squash, banana squash, butternut, Boston marrow, and the delicata varietal. Winter squash contains an impressive amount of immune-supportive vitamin A and vitamin C, and it can improve digestive efficiency, stimulate the immune system, boost the vision, strengthen the bones, lower the cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, regulate the metabolism, eliminate inflammation, aid with sleep disorders, and much more. It can control blood sugar, so it is safe for diabetic patients. Winter squash can be prepared in several ways, and the three most popular ways to cook winter squash are roasting, baking, and boiling. I am sure you have a better recipe than mine. And that is News You Can Eat for today. We'll see you next time. This is Chef Walter. Ciao.